'cause I want you in my life. And I wanna love you, I will never make you cry.
Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Me encanta la música que toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Me encanta la música que toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca. Okay, this time I'd like to give you another requested song from Cecilia. Wow! Wow, wow, Ikaroon ka ang maasisiwit na
Kepel agtugaw kepel lang. Ang damdama man nag-agal-al kan. Okay, ready apo din nagtotalan na. Tay kwarta apo da Melissa and Rodel. We have 364,510 pesos. Ayan, so we have 210,830 worth for the dollars and 153,680 for the Philippine peso. So a total of 364,510. So buuan talaga apo nga 370,000 pesos. So agkurang iso na apo iti 5,490. 5,490 pesos. Okay, so may we request our relatives and family members and friends to give amounts. Tap do apo maanayan nga 370. So we have a total of, we have a need of 5,000. Mautin ba itayan? 490 pesos. Okay. Dati apo dito, taga Hawaii dito. Ay, manoet ako ya. Apo naga doon? Bilang man kuya, pakibilang man. Ano nagamong kuya?
Mark Kevin man.
Okay, single?
Married man.
Married? Pay. Ay, okay, sige nga. Bilang mo Roden. Pakibilang mo man sa Rodel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 pesos. So, adabutal na apo. Hanga mabalin. So, totalan yun, naparantay accountant tayo Benalin, alias Benalin Gamayon. 364,510 plus 6,000 pesos. Mano? 3,000.
Iawat Melissa, bakit ko? Iawat ko da ito nga kandidad. Ang pangrugyenta, itanyaman nga kayat nga pangibanagan. Kat sabi ko da ito nga kwarta nga naited digiti ninong, kada ninang, kabagyan, uncle, kada auntie, kalugaran, tata, nana, Kevin, Monica, ading ko, Melody, May, thank you very much. Kita agamyaman nak iti ado nga tulong nyo kada kami.
Awatek detoy a kandidad. Nag-amo. Nga pangrugyanta, taidulin tar kayam jabangko. Isulatan.
Okay, thank you so much. Once again, congratulations palakpakan ti Apo Melissa and Rodel. Sapay ko mata, dati buwangayan yung pamilya yung ket agbalin nga inspirasyon ti sabsabali pa nga pampamilya. Once again, thank you for having me here, Ma'am Melissa and Rodel. Let's have the rest of the hour from our R&B. All right, music. Thank you so much, everyone.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life.
Special request.
Once upon a time in the Philippines, Davao City, Mindanao, there is a beauty queen. Nagtitiktok lang sa gilid ang lahat sumayaw. Lahat ng mga tambay o dyan sumisigaw. Wow, ang galing sumayaw at ang ganda. Yan ang mga babaeng ng puso ko. Pwede ba? Sa piling mo ako'y nananabik, may akap ka kahit isang saglit. Puso ikaw ang siyang pinipili, kailangan ko ay iyong pag-ibig. Ikaw na ba ang kapalaran ko, kaya ako'y naghihintay sa'yo. Sakit na dulot ng kahapon mo, sa piling ko ay mapapawi to. Miss, pwede ba sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang malaman ang pangalan mo. Huwag mong ipagkait ang kagustuhan ko nang makilala ka at makasama ka. Oh, miss, pwede ba sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang naman mapalapit sa'yo nang maramdaman mo ang tibok ng puso ko. Pwede ba, pwede ba, pwede ba? Miss, pwede bang sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang malaman ang pangalan mo. Huwag mong ipagkait ang kagustuhan ko nang makilala ka at makasama ka. Oh,
Ayan, magsipalakpakan naman tayo. May mga request pa ba dyan? And of course, congratulations to the newlywed couple, to Melissa and Rodel. Ayan. Congratulations. Okay. Pasayawin kaya natin sila.
Asa na ba sila? Ay, ayun.
Si Melissa and Rodel. Isang a very romantic song naman dyan. R&B. Okay. At malay natin, ayan, sa mga nagbigay po ng compliments, maraming salamat po. At sana po mapuno po itong mga butas dito. Charot.
Ayan, at request lang po kayo ng request.
At sa mga nanonood po ngayon, ayan, mga RN believers, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Nandito po kami
Lalong-lalo na yung very supportive na sponsors natin. Na rin. Si Sir Luisito Cruz, and to Ma'am Raquel and Sir Gilbert. At batiin na rin natin si Sir Will Manuel, kung nanonood ka man, kung asan ka man ngayon, yan. Kasi medyo matagal-tagal na rin. Pero nagbakasyon sa noon, pero diretso kasi yung schedule.
Full
Kaya
din tayo
hindi natin
available.
natugtugan si Sir Will.
Manuel. Nakakamiss din yung mga
Oo.
live moments natin on.
At saka si Sir Marlon Sidon, ganon.
Yes.
Si
Ma'am
Lorelai
Lorelai.
and Silver,
Sir
siyempre
Silver.
BFF.
Yes.
Yung mga batiin din natin. Yung group 1 sa ating, from UK.
Yes. Group 1 and Group 2. From Hong Kong din, yung Group 2. Ayan. Hello po sa inyong lahat.
At siyempre, batiin ulit natin si Girly Balino and Rachel Aliado. And to Colonel Jumedes Balino from Nueva Vizcaya. Ayan.
Hello.
Kasi tuwang-tuwa daw siya sa atin.
Sana po di po kayong magsawang
At sa mga
manood.
nanonood sa Canada, ayan, mga stress reliever daw tayo. Yan, sa California, Hawaii, Saudi Arabia. Ano pa?
At sa buong mundo.
Saan,
sa gawa.
Saan mang sulok ng mundo, sana mapanood nyo din kami. At pakishare na rin ang aming live. And of course, to our barangay captain dito sa Baresbe, si Sir Elmer. Yan, poging-pogi pa rin. Hindi tumatanda.
I grow fonder every day as you're suffering. Just thinking of your face, God only knows why it's taken me so long to let my doubts go. You're the only one that I want. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you never try to forgive your past and simply be mine. So dare to let me be your one and only. Promise I'm worthy. listen to a song from Adele.
Ayan. Yung Adele natin na-copyright. Walang sounds.
Ah.
Just you and I, sharing our love together, not knowing time will be the dreams we treasure. We'll be alright. Just you and I. Just you and I.
Just you and I,
Sharing our love together, not knowing time.
and I know it's time.
We'll build the dreams
We treasure.
You'll be alright.
Baka gustong kumanta ni ni Kapitan. Kanta ka man, Kapitan.
Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things I want to do, and in my head I paint a picture. Since I've come home, but my body's been a mess, and a message in the hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch a match. Hope you find the one that fits it for you. And now you're shopping anywhere. Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? And if you had to pay, you were dodging all the time. I used to dizzy. Since I'm coming home, but my body's getting less. And I've messages your hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie.
Ate, pwede makahingi dyan?
Ayan, baka may gusto pa si Ma'am Monica na song.
Yes, baka may request ka, Ma'am Danica.
Yes.
Yes! Ay, kulang na. Wala na po. Ma'am Monica, wala lang request? Wala na. Patapos na rin kami.
Ayan.
Mag last 2 songs na kami bago magtapos. Okay. Okay, and this time I'd like to give you now our last 2 songs before we say goodbye to everyone. And once again, congratulations to the
To
newlywed couple, to
Ma'am
Melissa,
Melissa and Sir Rodel.
Rodel. Ayan, agpalakpak tayo man, Apo. Apo, nagpigsa. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Awan. Okay. Hala, naku. Andyan na yung ulan. Ay, Ayan, dito po kami ngayon at... Sige. Lalim. Sandali. Inom muna tayo. Wala bang straw?
Ilay-layla sa dilim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla sa dilim. Nakita niyo na ba itong kapaligiran natin? Pagpangin na ang ibon, tubig pa ay maitim. At ang asul na dagat at ilog ay nagdilim. Ang sariwang hangin ay mawala na rin. Ano-ano ba ang ating dapat gawin? Bakit hindi ba natin ito bigyan ng pansin? Dahil ng kalikasan ay itigil. Kinabukasan ng kabataan ay ating isipin. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla-ilalim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla sa dilim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla-ilalim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla sa dilim. Maraming may ugaling magkalat ng sigarilyo. Tumingil sa kalsada, walang pake na parang aso. Mahilig sa pagkain kung saan ang babot. Daanan ng tubig ay may kalawang at nakarado. Kaya huwag magtagal kung baha. Kaya huwag mag-isip kung anong taga. Sa pagbabago tayo sama-samang simula. Sa pagdating ng panahon tayo hindi mukhang kawawa. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla-ilalim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla sa dilim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla-ilalim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla sa dilim. Ayokong mangaminin, masakit ito para sa akin. Dayuhan man ito sa bayan, ilang kong tumingin. Bakit di ba natin mahalin ang sariling bayan? Di mo ba napapansin? Tayo rin ang nahihirapan. Woo! Come on! Come on! Yeah! Kalikasan, kinabukasan, ang kabataan. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla-ilalim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla sa dilim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla-ilalim. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla sa dilim. Ilay-layla, Ilay-layla, ilay-layla sa dilim.
And this time I'd like to give you our final song. Yes. Thank you so much and goodbye, everyone.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in today. Toast to the ones that we lost in a way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back, yo. There's a time that I remember when I did not know the pain. When I believe in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart will like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey, hey. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything's gonna be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, hey. Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in today. Toast to the ones that we lost in a way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back, yo. Memories bring back, Memories bring back, yo. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. When I felt all the hatred was so powerful to stop. Now my heart will like an ember, and it's lighting on the dark. I carry those torches for you, but I know I'll never drown. Hey, hey. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything's gonna be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pag-invite niyo po sa amin, lalong-lalo na sa Agustin family and congratulations to the newlywed! Miss Rita and Rodel.
Yes!
Goodbye everyone! At sa mga nagbigay ng blessings. Thank you so much.
Yes! At syempre, kung nabitin po kayo sa panonood, you can catch us na our Facebook page, R&B Band page, at sa aming YouTube channel na R&B and the Side Street Band.